Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 30th of May. Aquarius, your channel message is the Judgment, the King of Pentacles, Cancer. So I'm getting something about a Capricorn. It could be a Taurus or a Virgo. All right. I'm getting something about somebody's diagnosed with cancer, or you're going to have to take time off from working if you're a self-employed person. I'm getting a need to take time for your health. Now, I'm also getting something about this money man dating a cancer woman. I'm getting you usually paid for things for her. All right. I'm getting, I don't know if that was the deal, or I don't know how you stay. Maybe you're already attached, paying for things for her. I'm getting she talk to other people, but I'm getting King of Pentacles, she talking to other people who are not providing for her as much as you are. So I don't know if judgment will be cast on the Cancer where you're cut off providing for her because she entertain other men. I'm getting somebody very, very flirty around. I'm getting somebody flirty for attention, not for stuff. I'm getting she get the stuff from you. And this could be maybe after you give her stuff, she don't want to talk to you. I don't know where you buy her. Maybe you buy her bag, you buy her shoes. You're buying her shoes, but she don't want to go on a date with you. She gone out with girls' night out with the shoes where you buy her. You just buy her a nice dress, and perhaps you want to go out with her in a dress. She tell us that she's tired. So I'm getting everything you have. I don't know where you buy for her. Maybe you buy, I don't know. Whatever you're buying for her, I'm getting as soon as she gets it, she don't want to spend time with you. She will spend time with other people. Maybe she's telling you she spend time with her girlfriends. But I'm also getting somebody's very, very flirty when you're not around. Maybe you do not care. But I'm getting something about judgment, okay? So let's see what's up for you. Aquarius, the Star card. First card out, we have Clock. Yeah. So we have need time, take time, in time cycles, time to heal and progress. This can also be every time you're out with her, me getting she want to go home fast. She don't want to spend time with you. She will take your things, but she don't want to spend the time with you. You come over her house, if she live alone, she'll watch the clock and she want to know when you're going to leave. Like she have somebody else coming over. All right, so we have Clock. We also have Cupid's arrow. Have faith in love. Have faith. Love is coming. Supervised invitation. I'm sorry, not supervised. Goat Island. No, what? No, what? Damn it. What was it? No, never mind. I can't remember. The thing when Drewski and the guy was saying, I don't like no whips and chains, and you can, when they say what, go vacation, COVID vacation spots, they're trying to get political. Man, that's go vacation spot, dummy, right? I'm getting Cupid's arrow. Supervised. Ugh. Someone supervise? What's being supervised? Do you have cameras or a tracker on somebody? Surprise invitation or meeting. All right, I'm getting hesitation. Maybe you usually show up the same day, the same time for meet somebody. I'm getting if you ever change the schedule, I'm getting something about them don't want to make it. Them say, no, I can't make it. We have camera. Do you have, is somebody under supervision? Reminiscing, keepsake, perception, learn from the past, make memories, okay? Let's go ahead and see what's in your reading. Maybe somebody don't want to be on camera with you. They don't want to take no pictures of you and them. You can take a picture of them, but they don't want to take a picture with you. Let's go. We have the World card coming out first. Okay, so when I used to use this deck, I'm getting something about a healer. Now, somebody might have a lot of tattoos. Somebody might have red hair as well, or orange hair. I don't know if somebody's Scottish. I'm getting something about you're a magician. The World card, but in this depiction, him look like a magician. Like him know about magic. I'm not sure what you're trying to do with somebody. We also have the Hangman. Now in this depiction, his head is covered. He's hanged by the foot, but his face is in his stomach. Alright? So I'm getting somebody is very insecure about their body. I don't know if you're too skinny, or I don't know if you want to take somebody to the beach, but them say them don't want to show them stomach. Maybe somebody have maternal marks, okay? We also have the Knight of Pentacles, which is a skeleton in this depiction. Yes, so I'm getting something about your body. You're very insecure, okay? I'm getting something feels dead. Something feels dead. I'm getting something about somebody finding out that somebody has been talking to other men. I'm getting something about being tied up and placed in the back of someone's car. I don't know what you do, but I don't know if you're sick and you use this girl energy for harvest and heal yourself. Because I'm getting you sick. I'm getting mirror magic. Because I'm getting the person who you talk to, I'm getting her anxiety increase, and I'm getting she not eat. She not eating. I'm getting somebody dead inside. Them dead. Them organs. I don't know what kind of magic you're doing. King of Pentacles. No, I don't know if you have somebody hooked on drugs. Maybe you supply them with coke. Or you supply them with something else. I'm getting you supply this woman with drugs, and I'm getting she not eat. I'm getting when she talk, her breath smell dead. Because the hangman face covered, but the face is in the mouth and the face is in the stomach. I'm getting she not eat. Me getting you date a girl, and the girl I get uglier, and she get more skeletal, and you get more beautiful. You look like 10 years add-on on your life. Your skin I get tighter. Me getting something about magic. Yeah, cause me getting somebody, me getting you saying you're helping somebody, but me feel like yes, me getting them life I get sucked out of them. Like you suck somebody life, cause me getting them not eat, and it's very concerning. I don't know if them sick. The World card is clarified by the Moon card. Yeah, me getting something about a Pisces, or me getting something about magic that you're doing. You're doing magic. Me getting you have somebody, it's like you know, it's like you can clock when somebody gonna eat. You can clock. It's like every time them for eat, you do something, and then they're like, I don't want the food anymore. Me getting you starve somebody. Like you have magic on them, so them don't eat. Like maybe you put the waste, maybe somebody put the wasting on you, Cancer. Cause me getting you sick. Me getting somebody put the wasting on you. The Hangman is clarified by the Five of Swords. Yeah, you need to know that if you're not eating, you'll get more aggressive. Your mental health will deteriorate. You'll get more anxious. Maybe you supply somebody with drugs so their appetite is suppressed. Because I'm getting somebody not eat. Especially if you do a lot of coke. You're not going to want to eat. You don't feel to eat. You eat. I'm getting something. It's like it's like your body eat itself. I'm getting you get aggressive. You get irritated easily. Yeah, cause you starve. No, I don't know if this man did bring you somewhere in the night near water. I'm getting hydromancy. Him put in a one deep sleep. And you need to know if you're a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, men are gonna use rivers, big bodies of water, and beaches for the spell on you. That is how them catch Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpios. Them use water. Me getting after you visit this waterfall, after you visit this beach, or after you visit this place full of water, you not eat. The Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the Ten of... Yeah, me getting something about... Me getting Pisces. The Moon card is Pisces. This is Pisces. I'm getting ultimately, I get sick. I don't know what this is. Come, I feel like somebody's saying me going to be the last person you ever fall in love with. After I'm finished with you, you're going to be unrecognizable. Me getting you lost a lot of weight. Me getting you not eat. No, me don't know if this is a man who's paying for things for you and him woman find out. Me getting she put the wasting on you or she put the wasting on him. Cause me getting it out one girl and there's another girl, she could have been a Cancer where you used to date. Me getting somebody find out say, yeah, see this girl behind them back. Me getting somebody put the wasting on you. Me getting you not eat, so maybe the man not show up as much as him used to show up. Me getting it, somebody put the wasting on him. We have Virgo. Virgo rules your health. We have evil. Yeah, me getting your health deteriorates. More so, your eating habits. That's gonna deteriorate your body. It's not gonna make you have no strength to get up and even do anything. You're gonna feel tired and you're gonna irritated easily. You're gonna fight. I don't know if somebody have you mixed up with a dog, but you do know majority of the times when people have dogs and the dogs them just attack them is usually because of starvation. Usually it's because them isolate the dog and put the dog under one chain and the dog can't go outside and mingle, or them starving the dog. That's why the dog turn on them and attack them. Because me see people do weird things with animals and the animals never bite them. Me see weird things where people will hurt them animal and the animal never turn on them. Or I don't know what the Virgo, they're getting bone magic. Something about one Virgo. We have CIA. We have curse. Yeah. Somebody curse you. Then put the wasting on you. One more. And we have shark. I don't know if somebody deteriorate your eating habits so that your mental health can deteriorate so that you can ultimately hurt yourself. Me getting somebody else put the wasting on you. You're not gonna have an appetite for eat. Your mental health will deteriorate, and probably ultimately there's going to be a time where you not get drugs as you used to get it, or me don't know what happened, and you hurt yourself. I'm getting it's going to be in the name of this man. This man what you think are your friend. Him is not your friend. I'm going to leave it here. Aquarius, the star. Maybe somebody want to be a celebrity, they want to be a star. They want to get on in the brotherhood. They're going to sacrifice you. And let me tell you this. I'm going to tell you from experience. Don't make no man carry you at a place and tell you if you go in a cold water, then go in a hot water, then go in a cold water, then go in a hot water. Then I'm going to sacrifice you. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.